Angular. So what is template reference variable? A template reference variable lets you access a DOM element or component instance directly in your template. So syntax is has variable name. And why we require this? Whenever you having some input, right, and you are entering some input, and then you need to be passed this to the particular methods, then you require this template reference variable. So we'll see some basic example for doing this. So for that, I already created the project which is having this code. I'm going to explain that in VS Code. So for opening the VS Code, we need to open CMD first. In the command prompt, we need to redirect this to particular drive, and then we have the folder structure cd an angular 20. Inside the angular 20, we have the project, and then we need to open this in the VS Code, code space dot. So it's opening in the VS Code. So in the VS Code, we have this project, and inside the project we have this src folder. Inside the src we have the default folder structure, which is having app.html or app.ts files. So in the app.ts file, I have written one method which is like show value, and one parameter it's expecting value, and it is type of a string, and then I'm showing some alert. Inside the alert, I'm printing this the value which is passed by the text box. So in the HTML, we required one text box, right, because we are passing some input, right? So in the text box, we have this like enter your name, which is the placeholder I have taken, and then this is the like hash. My input is the like reference variable which is I am passing here, and based on the click I am passing this in the click I am passing this as a input variable inside my methods. Okay, so if I run this, you will be able to see the output. So I'm running this first, ng serve. It's looking all the dependencies, and it will start building our solution. And once the build is done, it is going to be launched the URL. It's done. So now we are copying this and we'll paste this inside our browser. So if you see here, right, we will be able to see the template reference variable in the Angular basic example with input. So input is the text box which we have taken, right? So once we are writing this like anything like coding framework is my channel name, right? So I'm writing this my channel name inside our input, and then I'm clicking on submit. In the submit, I'm calling the function which I have written, right, which is expecting the input, right, and it will show the alert, right? So if I click on submit, it will show the output. If you see, you type coding framework, so it is like a reference variable which we have passed through the methods input. Thanks for watching this, and you can practice this, and tomorrow we have another session which is we will discuss about the two-way binding. So thank you very much. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.